Have you ever stopped to think about how much waste you produce in a single day? It's more than you think. Imagine a world where we all make a conscious effort to reduce, reuse, and recycle, where sustainability isn't an afterthought, but a way of life. The reality is, our choices today shape the world of tomorrow. The impact of our waste on the environment is undeniable, and it's time we all did something about it. Today, become a part of the solution, not the problem. Become a zero-waste warrior. Reducing waste might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start with small everyday changes. Let's begin with something you probably do every week: shopping. Instead of accepting those plastic or paper bags at the checkout, bring your own reusable shopping bags. They're sturdy, last for years, and are often much easier to carry. Next, let's talk hydration. We all need to drink water, but those single-use plastic bottles are a nightmare for the environment. Instead, consider investing in a refillable water bottle. Not only will it save you money in the long run, but it also reduces plastic waste. Now, onto something a touch messier, but incredibly beneficial: composting. If you have a garden, composting your organic waste like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells can enrich your soil while cutting down on the amount of waste you generate. Even if you live in an apartment, there are compact composting systems that can fit under your kitchen sink. Finally, consider swapping disposable items for reusable ones. Instead of using paper towels, try using washable rags. Swap out your disposable razor for a safety razor. Even something as simple as using a cloth napkin instead of a paper one can significantly reduce waste. These small changes can make a big difference. And remember, perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Ready for more? Let's dive deeper into the world of sustainable living. First, let's talk about the magic of DIY projects. Have you ever thought about all the potential uses of your everyday waste? From glass jars to old t-shirts, almost anything can be reimagined and repurposed. Think about it. An empty pasta sauce jar can become a chic storage container for your pantry. An old t-shirt can be transformed into a reusable shopping bag. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty of it is, you're not only reducing waste, but you're also creating something meaningful and unique. Next, let's explore the benefits of shopping in bulk. Buying in bulk not only saves you money in the long run, but also significantly reduces packaging waste. Imagine a world where your pantry is filled with glass containers of grains, nuts, and spices, instead of plastic packaging. It's a small change, but it can make a big impact. Finally, consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Minimalism is about more than just decluttering your space. It's about consuming less and living more. By focusing on what truly brings value to your life, you can eliminate unnecessary consumption and waste. With these tips, you can drastically reduce your waste and live more sustainably. But remember, it's a journey, not a destination. So, you've just learned some practical ways to become a zero-waste warrior. But what's next? We've journeyed together through a world of possibilities, unearthing the potential to make a tangible difference in our own lives, and indeed, the world around us. We've discovered how simple lifestyle changes, like swapping out disposable products for reusable ones, can drastically reduce the waste we produce. We've delved into the art of composting, transforming our kitchen scraps into rich, nutrient-filled soil, and explored how repurposing items around the house can give them a new lease on life. We've also ventured into the realm of DIY, demonstrating that a little creativity can go a long way in reducing our reliance on single-use items. From creating our own natural cleaning products to crafting homemade bath bombs, we've proven that sustainability and self-sufficiency can go hand in hand. But the journey doesn't end here. It's now over to you to take these lessons and incorporate them into your daily routine. Start small. Choose one or two changes and stick with them until they become second nature. Then add another, and another. Before you know it, you'll be living a life that's kinder to our planet. Share your journey. Inspire others. The ripple effect of our collective actions can lead to a tidal wave of change. Start today. Become a zero-waste warrior. The planet needs you.